Paid for a winter seat.
Whoever is farting, don't fart, please. It smells bad.
Eating chicken.
Firmly on the red tabs or blowing into the tubes on both sides. Do not inflate your vanish inside the plane. A locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically in water. This Airbus A320 has 8 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front.
Okay, let's go. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately hold the mask firmly.
We love you, you love us, we're much faster than a bus.
Looking good, yes?
Why does this flight attendant low-key look just like me?
No, because it's actually freaking me out, you guys.
Paid for a winter seat.
Alright, good job. Y'all keep testing back. Alright, now y'all look up here. Here come your drinks.
In the front when you guys board. So someone in here has a dog or a
Folks, we are not leaving until we find what we're looking for. If you think it's your neighbor, go ahead and snitch on them.
Please, because we're gonna get
We love you, you love us, we're much faster than a bus. We hope you enjoy our hospitality. Marry one of us, and you'd fly free.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Alright, what's going on in here? This is not okay. This is not my own.
They're gonna see that.
Que con una chingada se sienten, por favor. Ya no queremos ir.
What did he say?
Emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to exits. Look at the money his parents spent on Juilliard. I mean, Now should the cabin pressure change, full oxygen mask will automatically drop from the panel located above you. Remain seated, immediately pull the mask towards you to start the flow off. Place that regular mask over your nose and mouth, securing it behind your heavy lap.
Watch, I pour the empty bottle inside the bag, and if I snap my fingers, it refills itself.
No way. You have another bottle in there.
Oh, I don't?
Doing.
Let's check out this view. Oh, nice. Look at that.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. If you look to the right side of your aircraft, you will notice Flight 198 challenging us to a race. I've turned the fasten seatbelt sign back on because shit is about to get real.